Hello, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Check out this beauty. 2025 Kia K4. She's got 13,000 miles, just a little over. I think it's 13,200 and something. Just a little over 13,000 miles. Let's do a walk around. She is running, so you can hear the engine. She is beautiful. Check her out. Absolutely gorgeous. Just wait till you see the inside. Super cool. If you have any questions, you can call us at 704-213-0169. We're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Check out the shine. Absolutely beautiful. Now we're back here. Let's show you the trunk. Oh, there's my papers. Let you take a look at that. No accidents, one owner, regular oil changes. Very nice. And this is when she was new. Tells you a little bit about all the features. And this is on my website, kylesautosales.com. It's on my website, so you can go on there and take a look at it. And there's the trunk. And under here is the tire and tools. Spare tire and tools. And I just dropped my papers on the ground. Let me pick that up. Sorry about that. All right, let's close this and we'll take a look at the inside. Beautiful 2025 Kia K4. Nice tinted windows. Of course, the driver window's down, but it's tinted as well. Seats are excellent. Check out that dash. And she has 13,242. We'll get inside in a little bit and let you take a look at that. But for now, we're just going to do a walk around. Let you see it real good. You got the floor mats in there for you. Beauty. She's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Tires are just about brand new. Was just inspected this morning. I got to take her on a nice test drive. Of course, I stalled and rode around and enjoyed her. Very nice. The owner's manual is in the glove box. Yeah, I had to do a little extra driving this morning. Had to enjoy her really good. Very nice. She's like a new car. 13,000 miles. Looks good, runs good. No issues at all. She was very much a pleasure to drive. Practically is a new car. 2025 with 13,000 miles. Can't go wrong. Let's take a look inside. AC is blowing really cold. Alright, there's your steering wheel controls, lane control. She's plenty safe. You got your crash avoidances, all those good things, all those bells and whistles. There's the odometer. Let's zoom in on that so you can see it. 13,242. And as I was driving, she would tell me, it would flash up there that I'm coming up on a stop sign. All kinds of things. It would tell me the speed limit. She does have the Apple CarPlay and Android, whichever you may need. We got a backup camera. She's safe as can be. Airbags everywhere. So keep you good and safe. Let's hit the radio for you. I gotta turn it down. We don't have rights to the music. I'll get zapped on YouTube. And my phone is not connected, but I'll just show you. There's where you can do the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And I'm going to hit cancel. I'm not connected. I'm just doing this for you. Yeah, so I'm not doing all that. But you can. And you can run the vehicle diagnostics, which I did, and everything was great. I'm not going to do that again, but let me see if I can get a couple more things. Look at that cold AC blowing. Very nice. Outside temperature 88, inside temperature is 69. You know I'm enjoying that. I'll give you a blast of the radio again. And you get Sirius Radio free for 90 days. I'm trying to think of anything else to tell you. So many things on here, so safe. I mean, she's got the, oh gosh, just gotta go on there and read that list. You know, when I'm trying to do a video, I can't think of everything, so I know I would leave something out. So you just go back on the website and read all the things. Push button to start. Just read everything. It's amazing what this car has. It is absolutely amazing. I mean, she'll tell you when you're in a school zone, the speed limit, when you're approaching a stop sign. She's got lane control, Apple CarPlay, Android, backup camera, all the crash avoidance stuff that they have to offer out there. Just so much stuff. And I know I'm missing bunches of stuff to tell you. This car is just out of control, wild and crazy and sweet and all that good stuff. She is nice, very nice. I'm blown away by it, so, and you will be too. She's very nice. Very nice. Sweet, sweet car. No issues at all. She is a 2025 with 13,242 miles. So she's like a brand new car. If you want a brand new car without paying the brand new car price, then come see us. This is the car for you. It's just that simple. You don't have to sit at the franchise for hours and hours and hours. It's pretty simple. Just give us a call, 704-213-0169. We're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 Eastridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. I'm just trying to show you a little bit. So if you have any questions, now hopefully I'm answering them on here, but if not, just call me. I'll do the best I can to answer everything that you need to know. We'll work hard to find you financing. We have some great lenders and banks that we use, or you're welcome to use your own. If you're a member of the credit union, use them. I have no issues with that. I'm very easy to work with, and I'm here to help you. Let's go take a look at the engine. Let you see her up close and personal. Yep, she's flashing because I just opened the hood. And now she's going to tell you open the door. Now, park and brake engaged. Safety first. I'm telling you, this car is safe. Very, very safe. Here's the key fob. You've got the auto start where you can start it from inside your home. Let it warm up for you. Just so much. I know I'm missing a lot. But just take a look at that paper. Read it. It'll tell you what you need to know. Come see us. And let's go take a look at the engine. Give you another look around here. Tires are just about new. Oh, it's going to turn the headlights on and show you the wicked headlights. Let me do that for you. Can't tell if they're on or not. I believe they are. If not, we'll go back inside and play with it. It's daytime, so obviously, so you can't see it real good, but super cool headlights. Super cool, super cool. All right, let me see if I can pop this for you. Let you take a look at the motor. It is hard to do with one hand. All right. There we go. She's like brand spanking new under here. She sounds good. She looks good. Look at that shine. Amazing, isn't it? Beautiful. Again, you want a new car without the new car haggle and with the used car price? Come see us here at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Give me a call at 704-213-0169. Come on this 2025 Kia K4 with 13,000 miles. This baby is nice. She's very nice. No issues at all. I did get to enjoy her for a little bit. I wouldn't mind driving her some more. She was very much a pleasure to drive. Tell your families and friends to come buy from us. And if they do, you get $100. Free money. Just for telling your family or friends. You know when they're looking for a car. So just tell them about us. Beautiful. Well, I guess that about wraps it up. Again, you have any questions, 704-213-0169. Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Please hit like and share. I'd very much appreciate that. I thank y'all. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your business. We truly appreciate you. Well, that's going to do it. Thank you again. Y'all have a wonderful day and enjoy your summer. Thank you. Goodbye.